I went and took my knee. The opposing team from across the state, our opposing team, joined all around me and prayed with me. So the school's going, what do we do now? Then they said, well, you're gonna have to choose between your job and your faith. And what do you do at that time? I mean, really, how many people are ever presented with that? In America, you gotta choose between thanking God or your employment? Well, I was in the Marines for 20 years. I fought and defended the Constitution. It really meant something to me. I didn't know the ins and outs of the First Amendment and all those legal things. So I needed help. I was absolutely lost. Could you imagine some high school football coach is actually gonna try to take on Bremerton School District, the state of Washington, the district court, the Court of Appeals, the Supreme Court? Get out of here.
For the next generation of leaders, you're going to be called upon to make hard, tough decisions that affect you and others. And in the case of Coach, his decision affected millions. It's going to affect millions. It will continue to have an impact. My grandkids, if they decide to become lawyers, they're going to study Kennedy versus Bremerton School District in law school.
When you treat religion with hostility, when you treat it like a second-class right, that is infringing on the free exercise of teachers and coaches like Coach Kennedy. And so this is a really monumental victory. It's a landmark victory for religious liberty, and we're going to see it have implications for decades to come.